Hi friends, can you solve the value of x in this Math Olympiad problem on the board? If you think you can, pause the video and guess the answer. We are trying to solve 3 power x plus 2 is equal to 2 power x plus 1. To solve this, you see that the base here is 2 and the base here is 2. So the two terms cannot be expressed in common base. So what do? We take the log on both sides, okay? So if you take the log of 3 to the power of x plus 2, this will be equals to the log of 2 to the power of x plus 1. Okay? The reason behind taking the logarithm is that logarithm always allows us to multiply the power to the log. Okay? So here we are free to multiply x plus 2 to the log, and also we are free to multiply x plus 1 to the log. So if you multiply it, you have it that x plus 2 log 3 is equal to x plus 1 log 2. Okay? So since we have this, we are going to use log 3 to open the brackets. Okay? So we use log 3 to multiply everything inside the box. So log 3 times x will give you x log 3, and log 3 times 2 will give you plus 2 log 3, and that's equals to, same thing here, log 2 times x will give you x log 2, and log 2 times 1 will give you plus log 2. Okay? Since we have this now, all we need to do is to collect like terms. To collect like terms, we bring the one that have x to both sides and the one that are just numbers to one side. So we have it that x log 3, okay? Then we are subtracting log 2 minus 2, x log 3 minus x log 2, okay, is equal to log 2 minus 2 log 3. Okay, so here we can see that x is common in both terms. So what do? We factor our x. So x will now be, we have it as log 3 minus log 2, and that's equals to, we can now have log 2. Then since we have these two, you know in the law of exponents that whenever we have that in this form, that we can actually make 2 to be the power of 3. So we can have minus log 3 all squared. Since we are free to multiply the power here, so everything remains the same. So if you have this, so what do you have? You have it as x into log of what? 3 over 2, dividing the numbers, okay? And this is equal to log 2 divided by, since you are subtracting, 3 squared is 9, divided by 9, okay? Since you are dividing the numbers. So if you have this now, what do you observe? We can now divide through by what? Log of 3 over 2, okay? And also divide this side by log of 3 over 2. Okay, so the log of 3 over 2 can cancel out. Now you see that our x is equals to log of 2 over 3, 2 over 9 divided by log of 2 over 3. Okay? Since they have the same log and log, so we can now write it to be log of base, we use a common log, 2 over 3 of what? 2 over 9. It looks somehow, but I have to leave the answer like this. I want you in the comment section to tell me the exact value for x. Like the decimal solutions, you can tell me the decimal solution, or you can just simplify the whole log. Let me know who is following. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment on the method I used. See you next time.